Address to Slavery by Samuel Wright, published 1860. Slavery, O slavery! I cannot conceive why judges and magistrates do not relieve my downtrodden people from under thy hand, restore them their freedom and give them their land. The loud voice of reason incessantly cries, Ye lovers of Mammon, when will ye be wise? How long will misanthropy reign in your hearts? Behold the poor slaves, and consider their smarts. Upon the plantation they labour and toil, exert all their strength to enrichen the soil, while the sun pours upon them its hot scorching ray, without intermission the whole livelong day. Hope God by his power will save them at last, and bring them, as Israel in ages that's past, out of the reach of proud slavery's chain, to enjoy the sweet comfort of freedom again. Okay, let's see. This poem is by someone called Samuel Wright. I was looking for him, but I can't find very much about him. Apparently this poem was published in 1860 in a black-owned newspaper, which was campaigning against slavery. And I'm pretty sure that Samuel Wright is a freed slave or an ex-slave. Yeah. Anyway, this is also written in the build-up to the American Civil War to end slavery. And this is written as effectively somebody talking to slavery, talking to the personification of slavery. And it starts, Slavery, O slavery, I cannot conceive why judges and magistrates do not relieve my downtrodden people from under thy hand. So, slavery, I can't understand why the judges and magistrates don't liberate these people, why they don't make them free. Why they don't restore them their freedom and give them their land. So I don't understand why society, why judges and magistrates don't free the slaves from this horrible thing of slavery. They should be free from you. It's begging slavery, saying that they need to be free. The loud voice of reason incessantly cries, Ye lovers of Mammon, when will ye be wise? So the voice of reason is always shouting, is always crying, when will you wake up? Now, Mammon is the god of money. Yeah, I always think the shopping centre nowadays is the temple of Mammon. Yeah, so the reasonability is saying, when will you people stop loving money, and when will you let the slaves free? How long will misanthropy reign in your hearts? So how long will you hate people? Yeah. How long will you, why do you love money more than people? Behold, look at the poor slaves and consider their smarts. I think here smarts is talking about the verb to smart, something that is painful. I hit my hand and it smarts, it hurts. So here, consider their pains. So look at the poor slaves, think about their pains. Stop using these people for money and material wealth. Yeah? This is not a reasonable thing to do. This is misanthropy, it's hatred of people. Upon the plantation they labour and toil, exert all their strength to enrichen the soil. So these poor slaves, they work hard, they labour and toil, using all their strength to enrich, to make the soil better. Yeah? While the sun pours upon them its hot scorching rays. So these slaves, they work on the plantations, they work to make life better, they provide things for people, and they do this all day in the scorching hot sun, and there's no break for them the whole day. Hope God by his power will save them at last and bring them as Israel in ages that's past. So he's now praying to God, saying, I hope God will save the slaves. I hope he will deliver them from slavery in the same way that the Israelites were delivered from slavery. Yeah, in the same way that King David helped the Israelites, then he hopes God will help to free the slaves. Yeah, he will take them out of slavery and bring them as Israel in ages that's past, out of the reach of proud slavery's chain, to enjoy the sweet comfort of freedom again. So to take them out of slavery, out of the pride of slavery, where pride is saying that effectively the white man is better than the slave, to take them out of slavery and let them enjoy being free. Yeah? The sweet comfort of freedom. And here this is personifying freedom as well. So this poem, it's about the manumission of slaves. This is asking for the slaves to be free. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Address to Slavery by Samuel Wright.